goodness. You guys see this beautiful bearded dragon right here? Look at the tail. Look how bright orange. His beautiful chubby feet. His big belly. Well-fed legs. His beautiful bright orange and red head. This is an amazing bearded dragon. Anyway, Sunstrike, what are we here for? Your top 10 favorite dream animals. Okay. So I have all my dream animals along with their scientific names listed here. And the already have section, piebald, ball python, vinegaroon. Those are two of my dreams. So right here I have blood python, Albino Red Tail Boa, Anaconda Hognose, giant African Millipede, red iguana, super snow leopard gecko, Gargoyle Gecko, African fat-tailed gecko, Orchid Mantis, Panther Chameleon, and as a bonus I have emerald tree boa. Those are a lot of our animals. So your end goal is to get a Panther Chameleon because that's your favorite animal. Indeed, Sunstrike. Indeed. Okay, cool. Dream animals